According to Saudi Health Ministry, officials taking COVID-19 vaccine has been made compulsory for those arriving in the country to perform the Hajj this year. People who don't comply to the rule will not be allowed to perform the Hajj.
Country-specific Hajj vaccine. This is absolutely brilliant and shocking information. Now Antichrist Dajjal planning to put country-specific Hajj vaccine, and this is connected to Tabligh Jamaat. That's why the ban on them. Country-specific Hajj vaccine is the original vaccine which is planned by Antichrist Dajjal, and this vaccine can track you. Saudi Arabia is a Trojan horse inside Islam. Saudi Arabia knows they are safe until they are inside Islam. But Antichrist Dajjal wants Saudi should reveal their true face and turns towards Antichrist Dajjal in broad daylight. If they fail in country-specific Hajj vaccine, they can't control the Hajj anymore, and the world of Islam came after Saudi Arabia, and they cannot allow Hajj anymore because of the risk which is particularly threatened to Saudi authority. That's why Saudi has to declare abandonment of Hajj, and today exactly going towards that, banning Tabligh Jamaat. Before I am going to explain this subject, I need to know why Saudi Arabia banned Tabligh Jamaat. This is multi-million-dollar question, isn't it? Saudi Arabia Ministry of Islamic Affairs has turned the Tabligh Jamaat as a terrorist organization and asked preachers to warn people against the group of this. The question is why? Because this Tabligh Jamaat slowly understand the real face of Najd, and we know the old name of Saudi Arabia is Najd. Some of them in Tabligh Jamaat open his mouth to others what Saudi is doing right now. That's why they ban them. But we know who are the Tabligh Jamaat and which region they come from. Mostly the Tabligh Jamaat came from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Africa, Philippines, Indonesia. Country-specific Hajj vaccine. What is it all about? Saudi Arabia banned Tabligh Jamaat to came this point because after the banning on them, they will discuss and the matters will go to the Islamic leaders, and those leaders will talk to the Saudi government and Muslim authority. They will say, it's okay, but you have to follow this Dajjalic condition. Only then we can allow you to perform the Hajj. Can you guess what kind of condition they set for the next Hajj pilgrims? And we know Saudi Arabia mandated vaccine shot to perform the Hajj after impacting other sector. Now COVID Circus 19 has also impacted the Hajj pilgrims in Saudi Arabia. The government has made Circus 19 shot mandatory for the pilgrims visiting Hajj. The Saudi health authorities announced that the vaccine will be main condition for Hajj pilgrims this year. This kind of vaccine shot only given to the country specific for those who come for the Hajj. The question is which country and what kind of jab. This is peripheral importance rather than this is the primary importance is why they put country specific Hajj vaccine shot and what is the materials they put inside the shot. And the final question, does this shot track you? The answer is yes. Even after the Hajj they will monitor you and they will watch your activity because you should not expose Vision 2030. Because according to the plan of Antichrist Dajjal, there will be no Hajj in 2030. The people of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Africa, Indonesia, Philippines are the major part of the Tabligh Jamaat. That's why Saudi Arabia banned Tabligh Jamaat to came this condition set by Antichrist Dajjal. This publication is to inform international travelers of the requirements and recommendation for entry into Saudi Arabia for Hajj and Umrah. as provided by the Saudi health authorities. The Ministry of Health conclusion. I hope you get the enough clue to do some homework and find the truth, and let me know your opinion on the comment section.